Hello all, myself Dr. Shanti Verma. In today's tutorial, I am going to discuss regular expressions in Python programming language. Let's first discuss the learning objective of this session. At the end of this session, you are able to understand regular expression with its uses. You have to understand RE module and the general concept of the regular expression. At the end, you are able to develop a one Python program for searching the string using regular expression. Let's first discuss what is regular expression. Basically, a regular expression is a very powerful language for matching patterns, searching, replacing, and parsing text with the complex patterns of characters. With the help of the regular expression, matching, searching is very fast as compared to other. Basically, all the modern languages have the similar library packages for regular expressions. In Java, also this regular expression exists. For Python, there is a one inbuilt module that is called RE that is used for the regular expression. Now, what are the different functions of the regular expression? With the help of the regular expression, hundreds of code could be reduced to a one-line elegant regular expression. So, code is very small. With the help of regular expression, you can also construct compilers, interpreted, and text editors. You can search and match text patterns, validate data forms, especially for the input data. And many programming languages like Python, Perl, JavaScript, Ruby, C++, she has all have the regular expression capabilities. Now, what is the general use of regular expression? Basically, regular expression is used to search and match a string, finding a substring from a string, break a string into a smaller part, finding a string using a find all. Before you are using any regular expression in your program, you must have to first import a RE module for performing a regular expressions in your program. Now, what are the components, general components of regular expression? The first is the alternative, grouping, quantification, anchors, meta characters, and character classes. The corresponding symbols is available in front of the components. Let's discuss all these components in details. First, what is alternative? Alternative means or. So, if you want to find cat or mat, then you can use a symbol or in place of or. Now, if you want, similarly, if you want to find Python or JPython, then you can write Python or JPython. So, alternative is used for or. Now, what is grouping? Grouping is basically finding more than one character in a similar character. So, for example, here, if I want to check that gray is spelling is either GREY or JRAY, so I can write a grouping as a in braces. So I can write R or A. So it check GRAY or GREY. Similarly, you in this example, if I write RAMIL or N in braces I write NY or EL, then it checks RAMIL, then RAMNNY, then RANEL. It's check for all these strings. Now, what is quantification? Quantification in first quantification I discuss a question mark. Basically, a question mark is a zero or one of the preceding element. So, if I don't know the any one preceding element in a string, I can place a question mark sign. Similarly, if I write star, then it means a zero or more of the preceding element. If I write plus, then one or more of the preceding element. And if I write in curly braces m comma n, then m to n times of the preceding element. In the example, you can see that for question mark. if I write RANI question mark, so it means either there is a one element that is any one element that is either is I or it's a no element. Similarly, if I use a star, it means it multiply this element to a time. So either it's a F double OT or F triple OT or this. For plus, if I want to concatenate, if I want to use a plus quantification, if I want to add 2 and fan, then it's basically 2 fan or either one or more O in the string. Similarly, for m comma n, I can write, if I write GO and 2 comma 3, it means this O is 3 times in the preceding element, 2 or 3 times. So I can say it's a Google or it's a GOOGLE. Now let's discuss anchors. Basically, there are two anchors. It's a caret sign and dollar sign. Caret sign matches the starting position within the string, while dollar matches the ending position within the string. For example, if I write this caret and OBJE, then it matches its OBJE in the first starting position in the string, so both is matched. Similarly, the dollar matches the end position. So if I write, I write GRAM dollar. So it mean it's either it's a program or it's a kilogram. Now let's discuss some meta characters. Dot matches the any single character. If I write BAT dot, it means it's a BAT or it's a BATS or it's a BATA, any single character with a dot. Similarly, for this square braces matches a single character that is contained within the brackets. So if I write in brackets XYZ, it matches either it's a X or it's a Y, it's a Z or it's a Z. If I write in square braces this dash between the characters. So if I write A to C, it means either it's a or it's a B or it's a C. Similarly, if I write 0 to 9, it matches all the digits. If I write in square braces this caret, it matches a single character that is not contained within the brackets. So if I write caret sign AEIOU, so it matches any non-vowels, non-vowel. If I write caret 0 to 9, it matches any non-digits. There are various types of character classes. Specifiers are also available. Slash D that matches a decimal digits. Slash capital D matches a non-digits. Slash W matches a alphanumeric character class, while slash capital W matches a non-numeric alpha class. We can use different type of character class specifier for searching a string. Now, what is a search function? Basically, a search function scans through the input and tries to match any location. This search function searches the first occurrence of the RE pattern within the string with the optional flag. The syntax for the search is RE dot search, then pattern string where string, and then flag. Expression string is the string which would be the searched matched with the pattern anywhere in the string, and flag you can specify different flags using the bitwise or their different types of modifiers. There are different types of flag available. For example, RE dot capital I performs the case sensitive insensitive matching, while RE dot S makes a period dot method any character including a new line, while RE dot L interprets word according to the current local. We can use different type of flags with the search method. The RE.search function returns a match object on success and none on a failure. We can use a group or groups function to match the object to get the match expression. If I write group num equals to 0, this matches this method returns entire match or specified uh, uh, subgroup num. And if I use groups, this method returns all matching subgroups in a tuple form. Let's take our example to search a pattern in a string. I take first I import a library RE in my program. For that I write import RE. Now I have to declare a one string. That is a this is my first regular expression program, and I want to make a pattern that I want to search in a text. That is a first that and program. In the input text input which patterns you want to search, that is a patterns. Now I make a one loop that is for pattern in patterns. I have to print looking for percentage s means patterns and in percentage means text. Then I use a regular expression if I search pattern means first that and program text in text and the flag is re.I. This re.I is a use for case insensitive matching. Then it print found a match, else it prints not find a match. In the output you can see that of looking for first for in the pattern, and in the first is available in the text, so it prints found a match. Now again search for that is not available in the text, so it prints a no match. Again search for program, program is available in the text, so it prints a found a match. In this tutorial, I discussed the search method and the basic different types of class quantifiers, anchors that are used in the regular expression. For more learning, you can refer these references. Thank you.